Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, you need to access Play Store. Following that, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install free Magic Fluids app, this one, from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Now to mute the music, you need to click on the bottom left corner over here. Then select bottom right one. Now you need to click on settings at the top and choose I accept in this first things first pop-up. Now finally you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And finally, when you finished, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Set Wallpaper over here. Then click on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply mine to Home Screen only, so I have to click on this option here. Swipe up from the bottom of my screen and finally click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!